I'd like to welcome everyone here this evening as we gather for this very joyous occasion to join this man and this woman in marriage and to share in the joy of this occasion, which should be one of the most memorable and happy days of their lives. We're here to celebrate one of life's greatest moments by acknowledging the wedding of Stefania and Salvatore. Real love is something beyond the warmth and glow, the excitement and romance of being deeply in love. It is caring as much about the welfare and happiness of your marriage partner as about your own. Real love is not total absorption into each other. It is looking outward in the same direction together. Love makes burdens lighter because you divide them, and it makes joys more intense because you share them. It makes you stronger so you can be involved with life in ways you dare not risk alone. May this man and this woman be a blessing and comfort to one another, sharers of each their dreams, consolers to each other's sorrows. May they encourage each other in whatever they set out to achieve. You ready?
Sure am.
Sure.
I, Salvatore, take thee, Stefania, to be my lawfully wedded wife, to heaven to hold for this day forward, in joy and in sorrow, for richer and for poor, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish till death do us part.
I, Stefania, take thee, Salvatore, to be my lawful wedded husband, to heaven to hold from this day forward, in joy and in sorrow, for richer, for poor, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish till death do us part.
With this ring, I thee wed, and forever pledge my devotion.
Okay.
Hang on one second. Okay. Hold it. Got it.
With this ring, I thee wed, and forever pledge my devotion.
Wait a minute. Some of those drinks. It's his fault, doesn't fit. Got it. Okay. We're good.
I do pronounce you husband and wife. And kiss your bride.
patrol, and it's on, girl. Don't say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go. If you're ready, like I'm ready. 'Cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Yes, it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you.
Io con te sarò sincero, resterò quel che sono. Disonesto mai lo giuro, ma se tradisci non perdono. Ti sarò per sempre amico, pur geloso come sai. Io lo so, mi contraddico, ma preziosa sei tu per me. Alle mie braccia dormirai serenamente, ed è importante, questo sai, per sentirci pienamente noi. Un'altra vita mi darai, che non conosco la mia compagnia.
I introduced these two 6 years ago. It wasn't easy because Sal's a tough guy, and so is Stefania. Long story short, they're both great families, and I couldn't picture anybody better for each other.
Stefania and Sal have built a beautiful life together with 4 amazing children. So I'm very honored to be here, standing next to them on their special day.
Me and my dad have been fishing forever, and he always kind of sucked at it. But I see now he finally got the best catch of all.
Stefania and Sal, we wish you all this life has to offer. When it comes to good things, may it be in abundance. And for the bad, may it be few and far between. We love you all so much. Cheers to Mr. and Mrs. Saraceno.
Somebody sexy, tell them, hey, give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight.
Take advantage of the night, cause tomorrow I'm off to do battle, perform for a princess. But tonight, I can make you my queen and make love to you endless. It's insane the way the name growing, money keep flowing. Hustlers moving silent, so I'm tiptoeing. So keep blowing, I got it locked up like Lindsay Lohan. Put it on my life, baby. I'ma give you a ride, baby. Can't promise tomorrow, but I promise tonight.
Excuse me, and I might drink a little more than I should tonight. And I might take you home with me if I could.